This week, DVB Debate asks, does Burma need a protest law? In December 2011, President Thein Sein formally approved legislation that allows citizens of Burma to engage in peaceful protests. But the controversial law comes with certain conditions. Section 18 of the Peaceful Assembly and Peaceful Procession Act states that demonstrators must obtain permission for protests or risk imprisonment. On the panel this week, Police Major Myint Tway from Yangon Regional Police Force, Maki from 88 Generation Peace and Open Society, Upper House MP Pon Myint Ong, and advocate Robert San Ong. Activists and authorities debate whether the law is being used to protect the right to demonstrate or to silence activism. Burma's 2008 constitution states that citizens have the right to assemble peacefully, and the Peaceful Assembly Act was drawn up in order to legalize that right. Panelists debate whether this new law provides a loophole for the persecution of activists. There has been a strong history of protesting in Burma, but in the past, the restrictive former military government cracked down fiercely on demonstrators. The studio discussed whether the police are still working with a military mentality. Audience and panelists point out inconsistencies in the implementation of this law in different parts of the country, and argue that it seems as if the police are the ones deciding how and when to enforce it. Burma's judiciary is notoriously corrupt, and the studio debates whether citizens can expect a fair trial from the courts after their arrest. The studio generally agrees that improving the legal system is vital for Burma's development, although panelists raise different suggestions about how this should be done. You can join the debate or watch the full programme in Burmese on our YouTube channel, or comment on our website at dvb.no.